Good morning, my dear friends. In this session, we are going to discuss about important objective questions from Fundamentals of Entomology course. The scientific study of insect is the entomology. Study of external feature of an insect is known as insect morphology. Study of internal feature of an insect is known as insect anatomy. Any organism in which body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen and possesses two pairs of wings and three pairs of legs is known as insect. Any organism which is noxious, destructive, or troublesome to the man or his interest is known as pest. Arthropods are originated during which period of Paleozoic era? Arthropods are originated during Cambrian period of Paleozoic era. Insects originated during which period of Paleozoic era? Insects are originated during Devonian period of Paleozoic era. The earliest known fossil insect is Raniella precursor. The insect came into the existence on the surface of the earth 300 to 500 million years ago. First edition of Systema Nature book, published by Carl Linnaeus in the year 1738. 10th edition of Systema Nature book, published by Carl Linnaeus in the year 1758. The ICZN code contains preamble and how many number of articles and glossary. The ICZN code contains preamble, 90 number of articles and glossary. A special account on termites of Tanjore district is published by J.C. J.G. Koenig. Father of taxonomy is Carl Linnaeus. First imperial entomologist from India is Hem Singh Pruthi. Indian Museum at Calcutta, established in the year 1875. ICAR, established in the year 1929. Largest kingdom is Animalia. Largest phylum of animal kingdom is Arthropoda. Largest class of phylum Arthropoda is Insecta. Largest insect order of class Insecta is Coleoptera. Largest insect family is Curculionidae of the Coleopteran order. Silent Spring is an environmental science book authored by Rachel Carson. The textbook of agricultural entomology is authored by Hemsing fruti. Some South Indian insect book authored by T.B. Fletcher. Indian insect pest and Indian insect life books are written by Professor Lefroy. In insect, exchange of gases take place through tubular structures are known as trachea. Tracheal opening on the body wall is known as spiracle. Holophenastic tracheal system seen in grasshopper, cockroach and dragonfly. Hypophenastic tracheal system present in headlouse and birdlice. Hyperphenastic tracheal system seen in columbola. Periodical process of shedding the old cuticle accompanied by the formation of new cuticle is known as molting. The cuticular part discarded during each molting is known as exuvia. The time interval between two subsequent molting is known as stadium. The form assumed by the insect in any stadium is known as instar. Molting in insect is controlled by endocrine gland, that is prothoracic gland. Commercial cultivation of BT in India started in the year 2002. Forest Research Institute located at Dehradun. DPPQS Directorate of Plant Protection and Quarantine Storage is located at Haryana, Faridabad. National Institute for Plant Health Management is located at Hyderabad. Spider belong to the class Arachnida. Number of segment in insect head are 6. Number of segment in insect thorax are 3. Number of segment in insect abdomen are 9 to 11. Insects' wings are located on meso and metathorax. Insect legs are located on pro, meso and metathorax ventrally. Eyes are located on ocular segment or first segment of insect head. Furcula or furca located on the ventral side of which abdominal segment in columbolan insect, that is fourth abdominal segment. Caudal breathing tube is present in water scorpion. Caudal filaments present in caudal gills are present in damselflies needs. Alimentary canal in insect is divided into anterior foregut, middle midgut and posterior hindgut. In insects, alimentary canal actual digestion take place in the region of midgut. In alimentary canal, temporary storage of food take place in the region of crop. The cells of the hindgut harbors microorganisms are known as mycetocytes. Group of mycetocytes are known as mycotomes. Three layer of insect body wall are cuticle, epidermis and basement membrane. Three layer of cuticle are epicuticle, exocuticle and endocuticle. Chitin is absent in which layer of the cuticle? In epicuticle, chitin is absent. Female genital organs are located on the ventral side of 8th and 9th abdominal segment. Male genital organ located on the ventral side of 9th abdominal segment. Generally, spiracles are located 2 pairs on thorax and 8 pairs on the abdomen. In grasshopper tympanum, an auditory organ is located on the lateral side of first abdominal segment. 5 segments of insect legs are coxa, trochanter, femur, tibia, and tarsus. Longest and strongest segment of insect leg are is longest and strongest segment of insect leg is tibia. Longest and stoutest segment of insect leg is femur. Smallest segment of insect leg is trochanter. Antennae are also known as feelers. Antennae are located on antennal or second segment of insect head. 3 types of antennal segments are scape, scape, pedicel, and flagellum. Johnston organs are located on antennal, pedicel, or second segment. Types of mouthpot in housefly: sponging type, type of mouthpot in cockroach, biting and chewing type of mouthpot in plant bug, piercing and sucking type. Insecticide recommended for sucking pest are systemic insecticides. Types of mouthpot in honeybees, chewing and lapping type. Different organ of excretion in insect are Malpighian tubule, body wall, trachea, nephrocytes, etc. Major organ of excretion in insect are Malpighian tubules. Insect excrete uric acid. Most of the aquatic organisms excrete ammonia. Malpighian tubules are discovered by Marcello Malpighi. Post-embryonic change in the form of insect. Post-embryonic change in the form of insect during its life cycle is known as metamorphosis. Ametamorphosis occurs in apterygote insect orders. Post-embryonic complete change in the form of insect is known as holometamorphosis. Post-embryonic little change in the form of insect is known as hemimetamorphosis. Post-embryonic no change in the form of insect is known as ametamorphosis. Polypod larva example caterpillar. Oligopod larva example grub of rhinoceros beetle. Apod larva maggot of housefly. Uptake pupa moth pupa. Chrysalis butterfly pupa. Tumbler mosquito pupa. Wriggler mosquito larva. Filiform antennae present in grasshopper. Moniliform antennae present in termites. Aristate antennae present in housefly. Serrate antennae present in pulse beetle. Geniculate antennae present in honeybees. Pharygeal legs present in honeybees. Fossorial legs present in mole cricket. Cursorial legs present in cockroach and ants. Natatorial legs present in water beetles. Sticking leg present in houseflies. Expand the following terms: DIPA, Destructive Insects and Pests Act, IINRC, IINRG, this is G, Indian Institute of Natural Resins and Gums, DPPQS, Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage, NIPHM, National Institute of Plant Health Management, AGMARC, Agricultural Produce Grading and Marketing Act, IARI, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research LWO, Locust Warning Organization FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India CIBRC, Central Insecticide Board and Registration Committee NCIPM, National Center for Integrated Pest Management. Thank you.